Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. I am so excited to be back to share with you some Dollar Tree outdoor patio hacks that you guys are going to love. They're very simple, they're inexpensive, they're gonna look really nice in your backyard. So keep watching. So the first DIY is planters. Dollar Tree has some really cute plastic planters. So if you are planning to plant a small container garden, you may want to look at Dollar Tree for their smaller planters. I started a big container garden, so I got my planters in different stores, but I was looking for a small planter and I found this one at the Dollar Tree for $1. Here in Canada, $1.25. And basically I just decided to plant a few plants in there using a Dollar Tree planters. So I am planting some onions. Unfortunately, the planter is not very big, so you can only plant a few, but if you have a few plants you want to plant, I feel like I'm saying plants a lot, try some of Dollar Tree's planters. Also, Dollar Tree just got these really big planters that are really cool. You may have to put a drainage hole in the bottom of them because those planters don't have any, but if you want to plant way more plants, try those ones. And again, they are only $1.50. So once you planted your plants, I am just using potting soil, and then I am putting my onions in and I am watering them, and they just make these really cute little planters. And Dollar Tree also sells these really cute tags, and I just decided to label my onion, and I also grew some spinach. And there you have it. It's pretty easy. Check out Dollar Tree's planters. And as you can see, they go really well with my existing planters that I got at other stores. So for hack number 2, you're gonna notice that the Dollar Tree has these really cute kind of garden bins. They kind of have this old rustic look to them, and I really love using them as storage. So I store my garden gloves. You can also store your garden tools in it. You can do quite a bit of things with these buckets. If you'd like, you can also make them a planter by drilling draining holes in them, but just wanted to show you that these make really good storage pieces. For the next hack, I am using some river rocks from the Dollar Tree and this hanging plant stand thing from the Dollar Tree. And then I had some succulents, and I am using Dollar Tree's hanging terrarium. And I'm just filling that up with some garden stones. And then I'm just gonna place my succulents in it. And basically what I'm trying to do is a hanging succulent terrarium that I thought would look really cute in the garden. It adds a little bit of interest and some charm. Now you can also use these hanging plant stands to hang some lights as well. Those would be really cute, so they're pretty practical to use. Or you can also hang actual plants off of them. So for this last DIY, we are going to make these really cute mosquito repellent candles. So if you are looking for a natural recipe that's quick, ingredients are pretty easy to get, you want to try something like this. Now, what you're going to need is a lime, lemon, rosemary. You're also going to need some floating candles and some essential oils. I'm using eucalyptus and lemon. So guys, please don't try this at home. Be very careful when you're cutting your lemon, but you want to slice up your lemon. You also want to slice up your lime. So don't try this at home. Or at least don't try it the way I'm doing it on this moving marble stool. Okay, so you're going to need your mason jar, and you're just gonna put the lemon slices in. You're also gonna put your rosemary in. Now I'm just doing a couple slices. Then you're going to want to put your rosemary in. You only need one, but I decided to use two. Next, you're going to want to put your essential oils in. So ideally, you may want to use a lemon eucalyptus mixture, but I am using eucalyptus and lemon because I have it separately. Now, I've already put the oil in already, so I'm kind of just showing you what I'm doing. And I used originally 8 drops. Then you want to fill it up with water and you want to mix it. I'm just adding a little bit more because originally I had not put enough, but I in total put 8 drops. Lastly, you want to add your floating candle. Now, what's really awesome about these candles is that, again, they're easy to make and they do keep the mosquitoes away. There's something about the essential oils and this mixture that the mosquitoes just don't like. And there you have it, your DIY mosquito repellent candle. So guys, I hope that you like these Dollar Tree hacks and that you got some ideas for your patio. I will be sharing some more, hopefully, outdoor DIYs for you guys. But in the meantime, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, comment below which one was your favorite backyard patio DIY. Also, if you would like some more DIYs for your patio, I have a roundup on my blog that I'll leave below. Please visit my blog at sincerelymissj.com and please come back. Bye.